So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic chemical combination. So guys, this video is about synthesis gas. So let's go ahead and answer this question, guys. The question here says, synthesis gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and A, hydrogen, B, chlorine, C, calcium, D, lithium. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's hydrogen. Synthesis gas, which is also known as syngas, is a fuel gas which is a mixture consisting primarily of hydrogen and carbon monoxide. So guys, the correct answer to this question is option A, and that's hydrogen. So that will be all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also guys, you can enable us to reach out to more people by helping us share this video across with your friends. And also guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community in order for you to gain access to all our premium information regarding JAMB updates. So guys, that will help you a lot as you prepare for your JAMB. So we hope to see you become a member of our channel community. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.